Okay, 2x minus 6 for number or letter E. Negative 2x minus 4 for less than 10 or less than or equal to 10. 4 times the sum of x and a number, or x and 8. And then this could be written two ways, and then that. And then we got g equals less than negative 6. R is greater than or equal to negative 25. D is greater than 104. Go on to the back. What is the value of x? What does that mean? What does it mean? No, what does this mean?
Oh.
Write the equation being modeled below, then solve for x. What does that mean?
We have to write the equation.
Write the equation being modeled below, then solve for x. I have the same paper that you have, honey. Mine is just a different color. What does solve for x mean, guys?
Find x.
Find x. What have we been doing for 2 weeks? Finding x, or whatever letter we've been given. What does this mean right here?
3x.
3x. What does this mean here?
Negative 4.
Negative 5. It's all right. What does all this mean over here? 19. How do I make this make sense?
3x minus 5 equals 19.
3x minus 5 equals 19. Good. Draw a river. Then who do we get rid of?
5.
How? I can't cancel it out. That's not mathematical. Positive 5 on both sides.
8.
3x. Shh. 19 plus 5. Please don't shout answers out at me. 19 plus 5.
Hold on. Oh, 19 plus 5? That means
24. Good. Now what do I do with the 3?
divide.
Both sides by 24 divided by 3. 8. I have written an equation and I have solved it. Which problem situation does the following equation describe? 1/2 x plus 5 equals 20. What am I doing to the x? No, what am I doing to the x? Nope. What am I doing to the x? Nope. Multiplying it by what?
Both sides.
Nope. By 1/2. I'm finding half of x. Then what am I doing to half of x?
Plus and 5.
What are some words that tell me to add 5? What were the key words that we talked about?
Add.
What's another key word?
More than.
More.
Than.
Not more than. That's a comparison.
Greater than.
What are some key words? These were in my notes.
Some both combined total color increase and all plus. How many
Increase
marks?
all of those. So I need to look for those words where? In these answers. So it says Fred dives 20 feet into the ocean. What does dive mean? Go where? Down. Am I subtracting anything here? So this ain't it. Half of the students in Miss Doss's class participate in sport, and 5 of the students participate in student council. How many of the 20 students participate in activities? I don't know yet.
I can just do
Caroline is 5 years older than half of her sister's age. What does this mean? What tells you to subtract? It says older than. Am I taking my age away? Stop. When I get older, I wish. I'm not Benjamin Button. So, older than means what? Add. Add what? Just circled it.
5.
Add 5 to what? To half of her age. What is 20? What is 20? Her age. If Caroline's sister just turned 20, how old is Caroline? That could be it too. Pedro has 5 fewer stickers. What does that mean? Minus. You put an M next to it for maybe?
No. Oh wait, I put an M next to it for me.
Okay, maybe. and maybe. I got two maybes here.
And one.
This says minus. Am I subtracting?
No.
Nope.
So that's.
So let's figure out what makes
I
sense.
swear it's deal.
This says how many of the 20 students participate in activities.
Oh no, C.
What do you think it should be?
C.
I think it should be C because I'm taking Caroline's age and I'm getting half of it, then I'm adding 5. Here, this says half of the students participate in sports and 5 of them participate in council. How many of the 20 students participate in activities? That means I need to know about who does what. So I would have to take this 5 and then subtract it and then figure out how many are all together. This is too much. Too much processing. How many of the 20 students participate in activities? Well, they all do activities. They do sports and they do student council. So that's not correct. Here, I need to find half of Caroline's age or Caroline's sister's age in order to get Caroline. 7. The Hannah family plans to play miniature golf. The price of admission is $3 for adults. How much does it cost to get in for adults?
$3.
3. $2 for children. There are 2 adults, so how much is that going to cost?
$6.
$3 for adults. So 2 adults equals how much money? 6. $2 for children.
There's 3 children.
And there are 3 children in the family. So how much money is that?
$6.
$6 again. Which equation could be used to find C, the total cost in dollars for the family to play miniature golf? How much is the total for all of them to play? 12. Which answer gives me 12? What's 3 plus 2?
5.
Times 5?
That's 25.
25. What's 2 times 3?
6.
What's 2 times 3 again?
6.
What's 6 times 6? 36. What's 2 times 3?
6.
And 3 times 2?
6.
What's 6 plus 6?
12.
12. What's 2 plus 3?
2 plus 3 is 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 3 is 10.
What's my answer?
C.
Dead giveaway. Last, Austin's gym membership costs $576 per year. Additionally, what does that mean? Add. There's more. The gym charges $20 for a 2-week boot camp class. Augustine has less than $700 per year to spend for a gym membership and boot camp classes. Which inequality can be used to find C, the greatest number of boot camp classes Austin can take in a year? What's my inequality word there? 700. And it needs to be what then 700? Less than. What symbol? No, it's not equal to. She has less than 700. It does not say she can spend up to 700. No equal to.
Wait, I'm so sorry, guys.
Less than. This is the symbol that I use for less than 700. Turn it off, please.
It's my uncle.
Less than 700. Yes, outside. Whoops, I put the wrong symbol. Less than 700. Now what? How much does it cost?
It costs $576.
Bye.
So $576.
And then $20 for boot camp classes. So what do I have to do? Excuse you. What do I have to do? Y'all need help, not me.
No, keep going.
What do I have to do with the $20 for camp? Add 20. Thank you.
And then times it by 2 because it's 2 weeks.
Not times 2.
Oh, no, that's frigid.
I am timesing it by something or multiplying it by something. I can't say when y'all say times it.
me?
First of all, let's look at the answers. Who's the alligator eating?
700.
Which answer can I get rid of?
700.
Nope.
D.
A and who?
D.
A and who?
D.
A and who?
C.
Thank you.
Excuse me?
Now, hold on, please. Now, what do I do with 576 and the 20? Look at what I have. Nope. Look at what I have left. And look at what I've written so far. Which answer makes the most sense?
D, because they're adding.
Because it's adding. So what does this 20 need to be next to?
500.
Nope. A C. Good. Bam.
Miss Farley?